Learn how to place your first guest posting order on Kwiq Rank with this guide. Once your wallet balance has been updated after you've added funds, you're ready to place your first order on Kwiq Rank. Navigate to the All Websites section. Select the website from the list on which you would like to do a guest post and then click on Place Order. Now, you will see a list of publishers who work specifically on those websites. Select the one with a high task completion rate and click the Select button. Now, from these options, select the one you would like to proceed with. Content placement is when you provide article or SEO blog to the publisher to publish on their website. Content creation and placement is when you tell the publisher to write content on your behalf and publish on their website. Link insertion is when you want your website link placed directly within an existing blog post on the publisher's website. Let's select content placement as an example here. For content placement, place your article or SEO blog here. Provide your target URL while using https://. Enter your in-core text. Here I have entered digital marketing. Enter any specific requirements if you have. Now click on Place Order. After the order has been placed, you can manage your order here. Click on Manage Orders. Click on I button to view the details. This is Edit button, in case you want change certain details. Here, you can update your details and click the Submit button once the changes are made. This guide provides detailed instructions on how to place your initial order on Kwiq Rank. From selecting options to filling in necessary information, this step-by-step walkthrough ensures a smooth experience in placing your order.